Hello folks. Hello everybody. Hello. Welcome back. This is Mike from Mike's Magic here in pretty sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia right now. Not sure how long the sun will last, but I'll take it while I have it. Yeah, buddy. Back to Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Correction. I believe when we left earlier, we were talking about clay barring and that sort of thing. And I think I showed you me using this fine grade. This is an aggressive grade. I did follow up with the aggressive grade and clay barred it, and it did help improve it to some degree, but still not to my satisfaction. And while I was hitting on clay bars, I had meant to do this earlier, but I wanted to talk about, say for example, this product. That's, I believe, a Mother's synthetic clay bar. I think I picked this one up at AutoZone or one of those places. They're less expensive than the regular clay bar. Last longer, but to me they're a pain to use because they get gunked up really fast and you have to clean them every, I'm not sure it would even last a full section like that. They're more aggressive, I think, than either one of these in my opinion. So on really nasty, trashed cars, you might want to consider that, but you need to buy 2 or 3 of them, because if not, you're going to be cleaning it. And what I mostly use this for is on glass. Yes, and you should clay bar glass, the outside glass, folks. I wouldn't use it on the inside. And only on tempered glass. For example, don't use it on your rearview mirrors, etc., because those aren't tempered. It'll scratch them. It won't scratch tempered windshields and stuff like that, but that's an option. And they make clay bar towels now, stuff like that. Since I'm not really happy with this one, I haven't bought any of those. I prefer sticking with the traditional clay bars. I'd rather just knead it over to a clean spot until I can't find one to trash it, get another one. They're relatively expensive, but they last a long time. But what I wanted to show you is after I did the aggressive, I was like, that's better, but still not good enough. I went ahead and graduated up to a compound and a buffer. And I'm telling you what, I don't know if y'all can remember the difference between now and the earlier videos, but I think you can kind of see the difference in the shine and gloss here and here. This was just a compound. Now, it hasn't been polished as I might normally do, and I'm not going to polish it because I'm going to keep going to another process where I'm going to be reapplying the ceramic clear coat restorer. And in fact, I will have to do this again because I got it too good. The Optimum Clear Coat Restorer, which is literally a wipe-on self-leveling clear coat, it needs kind of a rough surface to grab hold to. And even though this was a compound, the Sonex Cut Max, which you guys seen me use before, and a wool pad, it still did too good of a job. And you know what? You would make that even better if you followed up with, say, a black finishing pad and one of the finishing polishes. You've seen me use a couple different ones, and then put whatever level of protection you wanted on top of that. That would really look great then. But I want to go back and redo the clear coat restorer because it's streaked on me, and all I've got now is shiny streaks over the rest of the car. I don't want shiny scratches when I can help it, and I don't want shiny streaks, and I damn sure don't want shiny dirt. But so I'll have to go back and I'll have to recompound that section again with a different compound and a different, more aggressive pad to scratch it back up a little bit so that the clear coat restorer will adhere to it properly. Well, that's okay. I can do that. It only takes about 2 minutes. So I'm going to continue on with the rest of this hood, and I just wanted to jump in here right quick and show you guys as best I could. You know, I like to call this under the tape. Obviously this is my test area. If I can get a hold of the tape with this gloves on, maybe if we remove that tape, you can kind of see the difference better. You know, this is the area we just finished. This is the area we did not. To me, there is a noticeable, if you look at the light shining there, here, as opposed to here, a lot of difference. And you know what, for most of you that were doing your cars that are not going to be doing the optimum clear coat restore like I'm doing to this car and have done to several customers' cars, then you would proceed on most likely and maybe not even do exactly what I've been doing these last couple of days. But hopefully this helps you guys out a little bit, maybe somewhat informative, maybe even slightly entertaining. I hope. I hope you guys enjoy it, but I think there's a difference there. I know there's a difference. Oh boy. But, you know, you can still see, like over here where there's an imperfection in the paint from improper painting method. I forget what they call that. There's a name for it, and that is caused by solvent pop, I believe they said, as the paint dries and cures from an improper application method, which wouldn't surprise me if it was Mako, and it wouldn't surprise me if it was a backyard paint job on the hood. But at any rate, I do appreciate everybody. I just wanted to jump in here right quick and show you that. And that, and some of this other stuff. Oh yeah, there's the compound I used. I need to use a different compound since I'm going back with the Optimum Clear Coat Restore. But this is a mighty fine compound, folks. Good cutting compound. Easy to work with. Long working time. Easy to remove. It's a wool pad from Lake Country. Specifically designed for a dual action polisher. This is a 15 millimeter throw, or what they call a long throw dual action polisher from Max Shine. It's the Pro Series. You know, we've talked about this before. What it does is it rotates. This particular one rotates counterclockwise, which is a little different. And as it rotates, it also goes back and forth. So you're getting two different levels of polishing, as opposed to a rotary, which only spins. And what I'll probably do is this next sections here, I will most likely use the rotary with the wool pad because it will rough up the paint a little bit better for my purposes today. Not necessarily what y'all would want to do. But, you know, for a regular person, just every day wanting to make their vehicle look better, the dual action with what I just did would probably make most people happy. But like I say, I'm mainly experimenting. I want to go back and redo the Optimum Clear Coat Restore, or to try to get rid of some of the streaking that was left behind because of user error. That's me. Just to see if I can. I just want to, it's just an experiment, folks. So your procedure might be a little bit different. If you have a question, hey, you know what? Feel perfectly free to put it in the comment section below. Or if you're don't want everybody to see what your question was, you can always message me, call me. You saw the phone number on my business card there. And I'll be happy to answer it for you if I can. If I can't, I will endeavor to find the answer. Give you guidance on products, you know, equipment, materials, that sort of thing. Have you noticed I've got this covered up because I don't care who you are. I know there's people say they can do it. I don't care how long you've been doing it. I don't care what product you're using. You're going to get some sling when you start buffing. And I was trying to make it easy on myself by not slinging it up on the windshield into those little bitty nooks and crannies on the windshield wiper and down in those little cracks in the vent cowl, that sort of thing. So I find, it only takes a minute. I cover it with plastic. I stuffed it down up under the hood just to make life easier on me as far as cleanup goes. Okay, folks, thank you so much. I appreciate everybody, and I mean everybody. This can be kind of fun sometimes, and I just enjoy doing it myself. And I also enjoy imparting what little knowledge and experience that I do have to other people who want to try doing some of this themselves. I know you see the adhesive strip there from where that tape, that's not a big deal. It'll just wipe right off. If you have difficulty, I keep a can of, I forget what brand it is, adhesive, spray can of adhesive remover. You spray a little bit on the cloth and wipe it over it, give it a second, wipe it again. It'll take it off. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. Easy to get off. Okay, folks. Thank y'all. I hope everybody has a great Saturday. It's looking good down here. Wow. I'm so happy to see the sunshine. Just improved my mood considerably. Made me think of that song. What was it? Who sang it? Karen Carpenter? Rainy Days and Mondays? Oh boy, y'all don't know the half of it. But anyway, I thank you for watching. Those of you who did. All right, folks. Bye now.